Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's continue this revision sheet. Let's continue solving this revision sheet. Number 12, factorize letter A, x power 2 plus 11x plus 30. How to factorize trinomial of second degree like this. X power 2 plus 11x plus 30. You are going to do like that. Two brackets. So we have here x power 2, right? x1, x power 2. So I write here x and x. And then you are going to search for two numbers. The multiplication of them or the product of them is 30, and the addition of them must be positive 11. So someone say, Mr. Okay, two numbers, the multiplication of them 30, 2 times 15 is right. 2 times 15 equals 30, but let's add them. 2 plus 15, it will be 17, not 11. Not 11 here. So you are going to search for another two numbers and start again. So someone say, Master, what about 5 and 6? So let's see. 5 and 6. Yes, 5 times 6, 30. What about 5 plus 6? 5 plus 6 is 11, which is the middle term. So I will write them. I will write positive 5 and then positive 6. Because when you multiply positive 5 times positive 6, it will be positive 30. And you will add positive 5 and positive 6, it will be positive 11. So it will be x plus 5 multiply x plus 6. Let's see letter B. The same thing. X power 2 minus 5x minus 24. So I'm going to write two brackets and x and x. Negative 24. So because this negative 24, the product of two numbers must be, one of them must be positive and the other must be negative, because the product is negative 24. Okay, so like negative 4 and 6, because negative 4 times positive 6, it will be negative 24, right? But let's add them. Negative 4 plus 6, it will be 2, not negative 5x. The addition must be negative 5x. So let's search for another two numbers. So someone say, Mister, what about negative 3, positive 8? Because negative 3 times positive 8 is negative 24, that's right. But if you add them, negative 3 plus 8, it will be positive 5. But this is negative 5. So I'm going to switch the sign here. I'll make it positive 3 times negative 3. And let's see what we are going to have here. What if I say negative 8 and positive 3? So 3 multiply negative 8 is negative 24, but 3 plus negative 8 or 3 minus 8, it will be negative 5. So now we are right. So what I will do, that I will write in the first bracket positive 3 and the other bracket negative 8. Okay? Someone asked me before that, Mr. Shady, what if we put positive 8 and negative 3? It will be wrong answer. Okay, it must be positive 3, negative 8. So positive 3 multiplied negative 8 is negative 24, and positive 3 plus negative 8 will be negative 5. X power, so let's see letter C. X power 2 plus 11x plus 28. Two brackets, x and x. Searching for two numbers, the multiplication is positive 28 and the addition is 11. Now it's easy, 4 and 7. So it will be positive 4 and positive 7. Letter D is a special case. M power 2 minus 49. How to factorize it? It's so easy. You are going to make two brackets like that, and you are going to write one of them in the middle of one of them is positive, in the middle here is negative. And then you are going to search for square root of m power 2 and square root for 49. Square root of m power 2 is m, so I'll write here m and I'll write here m. Square root of 49 is 7, so I'll write here 7, I'll write here 7. I have finished. So easy. So letter E, the same thing, two brackets. I'm going to search for, before that, I'm sorry, I'm going to make positive and negative in the middle because this special case, the same special case. This special case, by the way, it's called difference between two squares. So in the first term here, it must be perfect square, and the second term must be perfect square, and there's a difference between them. So it's called difference between two squares. So how to solve it? Again, you find the square root of first term here, which is 9x squared. So what is the square root of first term? It is 3x. So I write 3x here, 3x here, and the square root of second term 81. So it will be square root 81. It will be 9 and 9. Letter F, x squared plus 5x plus 15. It will be like that. Two brackets, x and x. We are going to search for two numbers. The multiplication is positive 15 and addition is 8. It's easy right now, which is 3 and 5. And it will be positive because all of them here positive numbers. So let's see. Letter G. Letter G, x power 2 minus 10x plus 25. Two brackets, x and x. You're searching for two numbers. The multiply of them is positive 25 and the addition is negative 10. Okay. So someone say, Mr. Okay, it's easy. 5 and 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, let's add them. 5 plus 5, which is 10. Hey, it's not negative 10. So what you are going to do, because this is positive 25, you can multiply positive times positive to give me positive. And also, if you multiply negative and negative, it will give you positive. So it must be negative 5 times negative 5. Look, because negative 5 times negative 5 is always also equal positive 25. And when you multiply, or sorry, when you add negative 5 with negative 5, the answer, it will be negative 10. So now we have here negative 5 and here negative 5. So take care from this, please. Last question that we have here, y squared plus 18y plus 81. So also two brackets, y and y. You are going to search for two numbers. The multiplication of them positive 81 and the addition is positive 18. It will be positive 9, positive 9. Thank you very much. And see you soon, inshallah, and good luck in the exam. Thank you and goodbye.